brand new. This car's done less than 20 miles on the clock. I think it's done 18 miles. Land Rover Defender, HSE hard top with the jump seat in Santorini black with all the urban styling. So the ones we're buying at the moment, they just look superb. So you've got the badging, urban, the inserts on the grille, the bonnet inserts, there's inserts on the wings, the canards at the bottom. So this under section just looks so big and aggressive from the front. But this car's a HSE. So HSE gives you an upgraded leather inside, heated and cooled seats, clear sight camera, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel. It's got the jump seat. Look at that car there. It doesn't look like a commercial. You've then got the upgraded 22s, wide arches as well, mud flaps, pod lights at the top. It's just a fabulous 110 hard top commercial, and it's got an electric deployable Towbar from the rear spoiler, urban automotive spare wheel cover, wide arches on the back bumper, and then the mud flaps. And then in the back, you've got all that load space with it being the commercial. If you want to put the Towbar away to the electric deployable one, the most expensive option, nice and slick, press the button and it goes away. So not only is this car a top spec HSE, it just looks unbelievable from the outside. So when we move on inside, this is when you really see the spec on a HSE. So it's all keyless entry, press the button, you've got all your safety features like blind spot monitoring, and this is when you see the differences inside. So you get different leather on the door cards, you've got Meridian speaker, memory seats, the leather is an upgraded softer grain, you can just see how soft the leather is. You've got the jump seat in the centre, it's got the largest screen. And then if we just jump in, also the big differences I notice, if you see here, across there, all that is extended leather. Now let's start the car up. I said, there we go, 19 miles on the clock. I think it was registered yesterday, the car. VAT qualifying. So if you want a Defender commercial, but you want something that looks superb, and you want the 110, this is your car. Adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, driver assistance button, automatic lights, automatic wipers, into your seats. So the larger screen makes a big difference as well. You've got cooled seats and you've got heated seats. Then you've got your fabulous camera system. So you've got 360 3D camera system. You've also got tow and assist with the car having the deployable tow bar. So not only have you got that camera, you've then got the clear sight camera above as well. And then back into your main menu, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Look at all the different features. I mentioned about the driver assistance, Alexa. It's as up to date as you can get. The jump seat in the middle, if you're not using it, pull it down, drops down into a centre armrest, all leather and lovely. Cup holders there, and then you've got the charging points in the at the back section there. Great car. I bought one of these cars on Saturday. I videoed it. It sold the same day. This has just arrived. It looks superb and it's going live. If you want to get it secured, you can just call me direct. The number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.